Everybody don't run away.
If you go to Moyuka, nobody they live here. If you go to Munyenge,
Yeah, from city to city, village to village, Ambazonia citizens have been chased away by the occupation forces from La République du Cameroon. This process for empty our villages, it be systematic, it be premeditated, it be start from Kwakwa, where Dio they be send message, say me all man in leave run go for Nigeria before military operation. Any man where get sense go tell you, say observing from Syria to Sudan to Uganda, every time we military, be organized military, you want face a guerrilla fighter, then they always get advantage when the population it don't be dissipated. Even the mighty warriors, the Yankees of America, they be need for ask the civilian population for vacate Benghazi before they fulfill get a successful military operation. This process for empty our villages, Ambazonia they don't take part for the way they don't know. Are you working for the enemy without knowing? That one na food for thought from Capo Daniel.
if you go to Moyuka, nobody they live here. If you go to Munyenge,
Dear people of the British Southern Cameroons, citizens of Ambazonia, today na number 26th day for the month for June 2019. My name na Capo Daniel. This one is my daily podcast for una. The planned meeting by Humanitarian Dialogue, the institution for Switzerland, where be arranged me, Mr. Paul Biya Mvondo, can meet up some Ambazonian leader them for Switzerland. It don't fail. But as they talk, the devil in the sleep. The arranged meeting, it is still go on now as I talk so. It be unclear whether Mr. Paul Biya a representative than they, but Ambazonian representative than they for the meeting as we talk right now. For other side, for tell now how the hegemony where it don't keep Africa for down, it don't go very deep in. Once more, the African Union, it don't show why nothing need to work out for day and why they need help for solve problem for Africa. The African Union, it don't appoint Philemon Yang as the African Union Electoral Observation Mission for Mauritania. Pussy dam take rat, send a me go guide in neighbor granite. This appointment go show Ambazonia them the place where they fit no wasa help fit come out and for place where help no fit come out. The African Union, a decision for appoint Philemon Yang, a person from a country where be classified like one of the most corrupted place for the whole war. A man where been a regime member for one of the most corrupt regime for the war. Masterminds of election rigging go tell we the type of things that we expect them for an institution where if we appoint such a person for go lead observation for election for another country. No doubt all Ambazonia they cry for that African Union. It go knock for ceiling, it fall for down. Back for Switzerland, the anti-Sardina movement, that francophone their group where they support Maurice Kamto, they don't enter for inside hotel where Mr. Paul Biya and a woman day for day. They enter Chakara place for day. Them knock 2 presidential guard them 4 for ground carry them go hospital. When I hear. The video where they show them for social media, it show how the activists the Chakara they push skin with the security guard for Mr. Paul Biya for inside Intercontinental Hotel for Switzerland. It never be clear whether Mr. Paul Biya they be see for day or not, but would not say it for Switzerland and at the hotel that way it is day for day when it come for Switzerland. As we be talk about the negotiation for Switzerland between Mr. Paul Biya Mvondo and the so-called leaders of Ambazonia where it take place for Switzerland. This dialogue will be facilitated by the institute called Humanitarian Dialogue, an institution will be hired and commissioned by Barry Corbett Company, a Swiss-French company will be behind the exploitation for our cocoa. The today planned meeting will be supposed to take place between Mr. Paul Biya or a representative and these leaders them. It will be a planned meeting after a series of meetings with these leaders them, where they be taken for Switzerland behind all man in nose. In one of such meeting, this leader the way they be go meet up for Switzerland where no man will be know. Then we get a video conversation with the civil cabinet chief of Mr. Paul Biya. Even though the meeting between Paul Biya and the so-called Ambazonian leader didn't be cancelled due to exposure on social media, the meeting did still go on. But this time, na HD, the whole and with some few other Ambazonian their representative them. Would I hear say Scoop get representative for that meeting? According to which Mr. Mark Barata dan reporter, we also hear say Capo get representative for day. We also hear say a representative on day for that Fontaine by a group where they go form so for America. them two then day for day. We also them here say Mr. Yerima, the vice president, when I be the acting interim president for the interim government, he also there for Switzerland for an unrelated business. But the interim government have released a publication where state say position na say he no go participate for that meeting. The interim government that reiterate say stand by the condition the way they began previously state them out before any negotiation go be allowed to take place, including the release of all prisoners and in the presence of a third party. Our leaders and detainees in prison are aware of the situation, and Mr. Siseko Ayoktabi, the acting interim president, say he will be the last person to come out of prison until all man he come out of prison. And he talks say na total independence or resistance forever. We'll contact the Hague of C for comment. Their comments were mute. We were directed to their executive Facebook page where they then write some statement where be read as follows. Ambazonia too, like Cameroon, then get right for choose and for recruit their referee. Any government, such as Switzerland, must come outside plainly, can talk whether them be honest and truthful in their middleman or their referee rule where they want play them for this talk between Mr. Paul Biya and Ambazonia. The last line for the statement talk say Switzerland do they like Mr. Paul Biya a second home. How would we do expect say Switzerland no go the show Pasha for this kind talk? Full stop. Signed by Dr. Ayabacho Lucas. According to report on social media, Sako is representative already there for that meeting, including one unconfirmed leader for that Fontaine by a group, the SCLC. We don't try to confirm whether na Sali Likowo day for day or na Bo Herbert or the other leaders them. We no fit confirm them, but we fit confirm say John Bakuro ino day for day, Sako CSSF ino day for day. But he said na a representative. The ROA for Fongodi Dinka talk say the random send person may go here na here wait till they go for they come back report for them, but they no go participate for any talk or any forum where they for that HD. In the spirit of advocacy, I want to bring up for Ambazonia their attention say why international law recognize the right for every Southern Cameroonian for create an organization and for be able to represent the interests of every Southern Cameroonians. Not every organization have the right to negotiate on our behalf. Palestinians then get plenty organization them where they fight for their people them. But when you the one year say they go negotiate, you the year now only about two of them. One na the one for the political win na the Palestinian Liberation Movement, and the other one na the Hamas. Now the two them that will na know them, but we then did them plenty. Because in as much as everybody get right for represent place where you come out for in terms for organize itself and for represent them, no be all man be a legitimate representation in terms of negotiation. For you for be able or any organization for be able for go stand for some place, say one negotiate about a revolution or about an ongoing war, that organization need for first demonstrate and for first be able for show say it get a leverage within that revolution. Leverage means it means say that organization na a viable organization of that particular revolution or that particular war. That means say we must show say most of the fighters for ground now na they control them. Number two, now na be more active in terms of diplomatic progress. That means it's one that show and way efficient progress. Now we the champion this struggle for terms for gain international recognition, in terms for win international sympathy. All those things that we need for be a viable representation of the struggle, because now that struggle they go on. Now that struggle they be the conflict between La Republique du Cameroon and Ambazonia. So if you know represent the struggle itself or the revolution itself, the conflict, the fighting, the challenge internationally, then you know if you go represent we legitimately for a negotiation table. So organization, first of all, somebody like Samuel Sako, he need to represent any organization because they be done fire ye. The only position where he be there for this struggle, na say he be na a caretaker administration. Some person will be the work on behalf of Siseko Ayoktabi. Now when Siseko Ayoktabi then deny say he no want me work on his behalf, he no get no place for go stand for talk for on our behalf or for represent any organization. You turn around, you look a organization like Maurice. Maurice then become a one-man show. Bo Herbert and Ambazonia calling. How many people then they for inside Maurice so they done they inside consultation for find out ways to Bo Herbert they do ngang. In terms of support ground zero, Bo Herbert talk say it is support self-defense, but he need to support the boy ready to fight. That one na a contradiction. It for them for waiting. You know if you dey for some place for negotiate just because you been a journalist. No. You go for Ebenezer Akwanga. Dr. Ebenezer Akwanga organization where you don't change the name for APLM. Now, how many people then they do consultation? Apart from the few people they don't join recently from China, where now most of the people they want know them. Apart from them, it consult now which broad base. In terms of a military way, it get down the Sokadef, now a very powerful and a good group. But in terms of their ground game, since the death of our hero, our national hero, General Ngoy, we know this is see any movement where if you point and say Sokadef na a leading front in terms of the current war where they go on with the Republic of Cameroon. So Dr. Ebenezer, I know if you go stand talk, say they talk on behalf of all the people where they fight, because you get the contender force, you get the coalition of forces where be made up of the 7 biggest forces on the ground in ground zero. You look the other organization, John Bakuro, he owned the consortium. Consortium need to do consultation with anybody. The civil society, them know they be reflected in the consortium, their meeting or their consultation. We ran interview Dr. Kevin Yi and some of the members, they talk the same thing. So they not be viable. They need to represent the diplomatic achievement or diplomatic contestation with La Republic. Neither are they representing anybody on the ground doing the fighting. You go for Sali Likowo, the one way they be bring and for the Fontaine, they bring away no man, nobody, no ye. All these people them na impostor them. They don't get no right or no power for go stand for represent we for a negotiation table. A negotiation they be led by the leading faction. That means the recognized leading faction who are in battle, who are the spearhead, leading in terms, not be say you be done create organization, but your organization they actually lead the charge, both for recognition and the charge, both for military confrontation on ground zero. The 2 leading factions them for our revolution, now the AGOFC of Ayabacho and Siseko Ayuk Tabi, the interim president of the IG. Any credible negotiation where you go ready to represent the movement or the revolution of Ambazonia must be led by the leading faction of the AGOFC and the interim government of Siseko Ayuk Tabi. Leader their work now for fight for lead, not before fight for go negotiate. There is already a viable alternative means for negotiation when at the organization for the European Institute of Peace, a European-backed institution where it be more fair and where you get the endorsement and the vetting of the UNPO, international partner of the AGOFC. An organization where they still do now the capacity building, where they invite all the leaders that meet and come for the, including all those leaders that they did for that one for Switzerland. Dr. Ayabacho Lucas then be the closest for obtain an international guarantor for in terms of guaranteeing that any negotiation will actually have a backing that can effectuate it. Because you know if you want to go say you want to go take bet or kote you and person where you know if you fight, you know get power for fight for take back your money, or say even if you win you go feel recover the money. We must get person for our side country where you go stand for support we. So why would not focus for the real things for build the capacity? Why would they look for a guarantor? This leader them they need to ask themselves, why na Sako be invite the meet and come for can attend Fontem Niba a conference? Why na Sako be make that recommendation? Why na so the same Sako make that recommendation before they do want invite them by the HD? The fact that the letter that invited them stated clearly that they are being invited by an arbitrator, an institution, the HD, where it be hired, it be commissioned by the French multinational that will then be involved in the exploitation of our cocoa. The fact say in that document of invitation is specified for them, say the camp can discuss in the context of our country being a region in La République du Cameroon. That one alone be supposed to tell them, say me then stop whatever they be doing. The fact say they never be in consultation with the major movements them, now a betrayer for the whole Southern Cameroon. What they have done is a betrayal. It amounts to treason. The fact that they go talk to an enemy during a time of war without consultation with the major fighters, with the major movement is a betrayal, is treason, and they need to be called to book. Who knows to what extent where the Cameroon government go and use this negotiation and their participation in that forum in diplomacy. Once an institution then clearly state for those people them their premise for their negotiation or their help, whatever they are doing there is just drama. This is not a negotiation. It is a sellout, a negotiation between Paul Biya and Paul Biya. I want to quote one of our notables, Honorable Chief Justice Aya Paul. Ba Aya Paul talks say, for be a fool one time, man few understand. For be a fool the second time, That means the foolishness we were forefather the begate and for Fumban, it not supposed to happen for this war age. Justice Aya Paul remind we say Ambazonia and them be comprised of two groups. One day for territory, for ground zero, another one then for abroad. Say nothing we one fit do without the other enough work. How the political leadership they go to work go for before, where they need to look the soldier ready to fight, who said they come. Pa Aya Paul talk say we no fit trust anything way La Republique du Cameroon or their backers then they support them. Pa Aya Paul talk say those with them day for in secret preliminary talks already with Cameroon, they are already create na the second Fumban so. He said the one they remind me how Fumban conference with they fine hotel, gear them, beer them devil corner. Pa Aya Paul, he come up with some new word. He say ambazionanity supposed for being a transparency.
If you go to Moyuka,
Meg will be vigilant. Meg will stand as one man every Monday for Independence Day goes down. Now the only way our population fit declare for the war our intention for withdraw and separate from La Republique du Cameroon and assert our right of self-determination for an independent Ambazonia. May we stand fine, we stand strong, continue the battle as never before. The days are dangerous. We need to stand and fight for our freedom, fight for our survival.
prayer is what we
May the independence and freedom in British Southern Cameroon and Ambazonia be forever. God bless you. Capo Daniel, signing off.
in this nation need to pray. Jesus started with prayer. He started with prayer. Jesus started with prayer. Oh, I ended with prayer. Brother, when we pray, oh, revival will take place in our